This is day 3 of posting a song every day until I hit 1,000 followers, and I asked you guys what to name this song, and I was given a great recommendation. So this song is going to be called Nothing Left to Prove. Anyway, it goes something exactly like this. I've seen sunrises never set, I've seen winds that never fade, I've seen ocean shores meet cement floors just for both to give way. I've seen mountains bound to fall, I've seen leaders disgraced, I've seen concert halls filled to the brim just for silence to give way. And though I've seen it all, there's few things that I'd change, 'cause to watch the world fall is a small price to pay to be where we are today.